Today we're venturing into the heart of North Dakota to a national wildlife refuge that's home to an unexpected archaeological treasure. Ready for the adventure? Let's dive in. Nestled in the western part of North Dakota near the quaint towns of Dunn Center and Killdeer lies the serene Lake Elo National Wildlife Refuge. This tranquil haven, teeming with diverse wildlife and offering stunning lakeside vistas, held a secret beneath its surface. In the late 1980s, the water level of Lake Elo was reduced due to necessary dam repairs. This event unveiled a remarkable secret hidden in the land. If you take a closer look at the satellite image on your screen, you'll notice faint circles scattered across the terrain. See our link in the description for the Google Map location. These are stone teepee rings, remnants of the prehistoric people who resided and hunted here approximately 10,000 years ago. Before we delve deeper into the astounding discoveries made at Lake Elo, let's take a moment to appreciate the people who left these artifacts behind. The early nomadic humans who once called this land their home were skilled hunters and gatherers. They roamed these lands following the migration of bison, their primary food source. The stone teepee rings we mentioned earlier were the foundations of their homes. These temporary shelters were easy to assemble and dismantle, perfect for their nomadic lifestyle. The stones were laid out in a circular pattern over which buffalo hide was draped to create a warm and sturdy shelter. The harsh winters and scorching summers of North Dakota must have been challenging for these early inhabitants. Their survival is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Their story is etched in every artifact, every stone teepee ring that we discover. As we continue to uncover the secrets of Lake Elo, remember, you're not just exploring a wildlife refuge. You're walking through pages of human history, thousands of years old. If you're enjoying this journey into the past, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Now let's move on to the incredible finds from the 1990s excavations. Fast forward to the 1990s. Extensive excavations led to the discovery of an astonishing 58,000 artifacts. These relics, ranging from spearheads and pottery shards to ancient stone tools, offer a rare glimpse into the lives of these early nomadic humans who constantly migrated for survival. Today, visitors to the Lake Elo National Wildlife Refuge can explore its trails and enjoy its natural beauty. While the historical sites must be preserved and left untouched, a replica of the stone circles can be viewed at the trailhead of the refuge. Located near Dunn Center, North Dakota, the Lake Elo National Wildlife Refuge invites you to experience a piece of history nestled in nature. North Dakota's landscape is steeped in history, particularly in its western region. If you visited Lake Elo or any other archaeological sites in North Dakota, we'd love to hear your stories. The artifacts unearthed at Lake Elo National Wildlife Refuge are a testament to our rich past. The 1990s excavations revealed a plethora of artifacts, including spearheads, pottery shards, and ancient stone tools. Many of these tools were crafted from Knife River flint, a durable yet workable stone used by Paleo Indians to create spear points, meat cleavers, and other implements. This unique, glass-like, caramel-colored stone is found predominantly in western North Dakota, and tools made from it have been discovered as far away as New York and New Mexico. These artifacts offer invaluable insights into the lifestyle and culture of the region's earliest known human inhabitants. Thanks for watching our video. Please consider subscribing to support our work.